A is for apple, juicy and red. B is for bed, where I lay my head. C is for cat, purring with delight. D is for dog, who barks at night. E is for elephant, so big and grand. F is for flowers, blooming on the land. G is for grass, green and lush. H is for house, cozy and hush. I is for ice cream, sweet and cold. J is for jungle, adventures bold. K is for kite, flying high in the sky. L is for laughter, that makes us feel high. S for moon, glowing bright, is for night. N is for night, peaceful and quiet. O is for ocean, vast and blue. P is for puppy, cuddly and true. Q is for queen, regal and fair. R is for rainbow, colors in the air. S is for sun, shining so bright. T is for train, chugging out of sight. U is for umbrella in the rain. V is for valley, with fields of grain. W is for whaling and strong. X is for xylophone, playing a song. Y is for yacht, sailing away.